Hello YouTubes! Welcome back. Tonight is a very special night. We gotta start getting ready for the Fat Man. You hear that, little man? Fat Man's coming. Let's do it. Let's get ready for the Fat Man. Okay, Haunt fam, check this out. So this summertime, I was out shopping for Halloween, and I was at Home Store, and they had just started putting out the Christmas trees and all the Christmas crap, and they started taking the stuff away from the shelves of the Halloween stuff, which pisses me off, and I hate that crap. But when I saw these, I was like, oh man, I gotta have that. I've always wanted a black Christmas tree, so for 99 bucks, I got a 7-footer that's pretty lit. Let's open up this bad boy and check it out and see what it looks like. Hopefully, all the pieces are there. Alright. That good. Alright. That's definitely Black Christmas tree. Alright. Okay, YouTubes. Got some instructions. Hopefully we don't need them. The big orange tag. Black Christmas tree. Alright. Bubble wrap. I'm sure this thing is never going to fit back in this damn box once it's done. Okay, so we got a cord. Must be a couple of halves for the tree. Alright. Oh, look at that. Glorious black Christmas tree. How cool is that? Alright. Everything's pre-wired, it looks like. I don't know if there's a bunch of individual branches or if it's just two pieces. I'll tell you what. I'm going to slap this bad boy together and we're going to find out. We'll come back and see what it looks like. Alright, YouTubes, our tree is up. What do you think? It's all white lights. Pretty cool. It's narrow. I kind of like that. It said like a 38-inch diameter. Again, this tree is from At Home. It's tree number F10. They might still have some. Last year they went fast. They went early, so when I went back to get it, it was already gone. So I didn't have a black tree at the moment. But overall, I like it. It wasn't too bad. Do I think it's ever going to fit back in that box again? Probably not. So I'm overall pretty happy with it. Little man loves it. He's waiting on the Fat Man, so they could probably use a little bit more fluffing, but let's get to some ornaments. I've been hoarding ornaments for a couple of years and I'm making some, so let's go to the bench and I'll show you guys my ornaments for this thing. Okay, YouTubes, here's the ornaments. This is our star. We're going to save this for last. I did want to go ahead and use some of my little piranha fish skeletons this year and put them on the tree. I thought they were super cool. I've got way too many. They're probably gonna look gaudy if I stick them all on the tree. So you know what? Let's make this a giveaway too. Let's do 3 people. You guys just go down in the comments, write enter me. I'll give it about 2 weeks, and then I'll pull 3 names out of a hat, and you guys can have your very own piranha fish. I'll pull 3 random ones off the tree, and I'll send 3 of you guys a fish for your Christmas tree. So we're gonna do fish this year. I had this in mind when I made this guy, so. We got plenty of piranha fish. Some are glow in the dark, some are paint, some are ready to go hang around the tree with twine. I like the whole twine look, so we're going to put fish on the tree. I've got a couple of taxidermy bats. These are fire bats, also known as, I think, Caravula picta. These guys are real, and they're really small, so we're going to hang these guys on the tree. I think it's cool to have some taxidermy bats on the tree. Again, one of my anglerfish sculpts. I'm going to put this guy on the tree. I made a little ornament out of him, put some hot glue on the back, and put a clear coat on him. So this guy will go on the tree this year too. And I got this from our den mother at the Trio of Terror, Miss Edie Blunzer. She made this for us. How freaking cool is that? Glitters, herpes. I hate that crap. You guys have seen my shopping videos. I freaking hate herpes. And not only did she send me that, and she sent us a little ghost. How cool is that, man? Our den mother is the bestest. So these are going right front and center in the middle of the tree. Again, thank you, den mother. We love you, Edie. Thank you so much. That's just made with love. That's super cool. Okay, I found this guy at, I think Michael's or Joann's at the Halloween stuff. I threw him up in there. I just put a little hanger on him or something like that, some twine. On one of my little CNC badges I make, usually somebody buys a lock or something, I put one of these little guys in there, but I figured, hey, I want to make an ornament out of this guy. So I went ahead and just put a little hot glue and twine on the back. This bad boy is ready to go on the tree. So we're doing pretty good. What have we got in here? Oh, okay. I caught a sale a couple of years ago on Spirit Halloween. A couple of coffins. I think these guys were like $5 a piece. I think I grabbed the last 2 they had, so we got some coffins for the tree. That's pretty awesome. I bought this package of skeletons years ago, little dangly skeletons that are keychains. Maybe we'll hang some of these guys on the tree to keep it creepy. That'll be awesome. Some of my other softer ornaments I keep in these little bags. What's this guy? Oh, here we go. This is my Cthulhu ornament. This is freaking awesome, guys. This is by a company called DellamorteCo on Etsy. They have beautiful, awesome Christmas ornaments. I'm a big Lovecraft fan. I love Cthulhu. He's awesome. I'm going to try and link everything from Etsy below so you guys can go find it for yourself if it's still available. I think I bought these 2 years ago, so they should still have them. But man, got to have some Cthulhu love on your tree. Super cool. So for my delicate ornaments, I bought these guys off of Amazon. I think they're 4x6 little bags. So I stick them in there to keep them from getting banged around, whatever, and I keep them all in the same box. So let's see what we got in this one. Okay, this one's another haunted house ornament. I think this is a spirit one that I got for reduced one year. It was like 10 bucks after Halloween. It's got the little mansard roofs and stuff I love, so I think that's really cool and creepy. So he'll go on the tree. Well, I got all kinds of little baggies here. Try and be careful with them so I don't snap anything with my freaking savage hands. Uh-oh, this guy's gonna be hard to come out. Oh, no, not this one. Careful, careful, careful. Come on, cobwebs. All right. Guys, look how awesome this is. Again, another DellamorteCo. It's a Krampus. He's real fragile, long limb. But man, look how cool he is. Their ornaments are freaking beautiful. And if I remember, I think this guy was like 20 bucks. So again, I will try and link the Etsy stores below so you guys can go get yourself some Krampus love too. So Krampus is most definitely going on the tree. Okay. What we got in this one? Oh, look at this guy. This is another cool steampunk octopus I thought was freaking super cool and awesome. Look at that guy, those glowing green eyes. Again, this is another DellamorteCo ornament. Gotta have him. Thought he was awesome. Man, I got a lot of ornaments, guys. Okay, it's another little narrow one. Oh, look at this. We got little Belafonte, the Christmas witch, in brown resin. Super cool, man. I mean, their ornaments are just freaking knockout beautiful. I mean, look at these guys, man. They're awesome. I think they're all around 20 bucks. Some are a little over, some are a little under. So we're going to do Belafonte on the tree. And what is this one? Okay, so this is an ornament that they made. I think it's an Abigail Larson picture. I love her artwork. It's a little ghost or phantom. I think that's really friggin' cool. I love Abigail Larson. If I had her links below, I wish I could put them below. I don't know where all the hell she's on. But this is a ornament sculpted off of one of her drawings. I think it's like a little phantom or something like that, little ghost. Okay. What else we got up in here? Okay. We got a little Plague Doctor. Boys, he can be popular this year. I don't know if they've still got him or not, but this guy is awesome, man. I bought him last year again. His stat's a little crooked from being in the box, but oh well. He's just another great sculpt. Again, this is Etsy, DellamorteCo company out of New Jersey. Awesome stuff, man. Oh, I got these little cats. I thought maybe we could put a little, I think these are Michaels or Hobby Lobby or something. I should probably have Willow paint these up first. I'll put a little string on them, put these little creepy cats on the tree. We'll do that later. Okay. What else we got going on? A couple more red bags in here. Okay, guys, look at this one, man. Headless Horseman. How freaking cool is that? On a little black ribbon, again, DellamorteCo. You should just grab a couple of ornaments for yourself every year, man. I gotta have a Headless Horseman on your tree. If you're gonna have a black tree, gotta have some Headless Horseman love. Alright. Moving right along. Okay. What is this little guy? Ooh. Okay. Oh, almost. Alrighty. This guy is a little winged cat. Look how freaking cool he is. Little familiar type of deal. He's got one extended wing, one wing that's kind of tucked up next to him. Little winged cat. Again, DellamorteCo, super freaking cool. And I go on ahead and I buy these like, a couple of years ago I bought a bunch, and last year I bought a bunch, but I still couldn't find the tree, so I just put them aside for when I finally got a black tree. Alright, again, another DellamorteCo, little black pumpkin. Or a little copper pumpkin. And a lot of these colors come in different color schemes too. So like, I think the pumpkin comes in orange, comes in black. So if you guys ever make it over to Etsy, take a look because they probably got multiple options for you still. But again, when you're having like ornaments, you're going to invest like 15 or 20 bucks an ornament. Man, I cannot suggest enough having the bags from from Amazon, little jewelry bags. Oh, we got the little Baba Yaga here. The Russian Witch. Gotta love Baba Yaga, man. She's like one of my favorites. Again, DellamorteCo. And I think they even make her in a statue, too. Like a tall, like a 6 or 8 foot, or 6 or 8 inch tall statue. Okay, here's a light bag. What could this one be? Oh, okay. Here's a little crow skull covered in freaking glitter. That's probably why that was at the bottom of the damn box. I think that's another Etsy purchase, I think. We're going to have to clear coat him so that stuff don't get on everything. Okay, what is this guy? Oh, we got a little winged bat. Check him out. I think, again, this is another DellamorteCo. Little winged bat. I think the other guy, I got 2 of them. Yeah, I've got 2 of them, I think. So, I got one here. The second one's here. Or no? No, that's a different style. Look at this. Okay, 2 different bats. Okay. Had both my bats in one thing. One's a little hanging bat. And the other guy is wings extended. So this again, DellamorteCo on Etsy. So I got 2 for 1 in that bag. Alright, let's get through these. Okay. This one was the, I think, Dio della Morto, A Day of the Dead. Another one, super cool, ton of detail. Man, I mean, their sculpts are just killer over there, so that's going to look great on the tree, especially against a black tree. I didn't realize they had so many ornaments. Hopefully got enough to go around. Alright guys, I love this one. This is a little raven sitting on top of a skull. How freaking awesome is that? Again, DellamorteCo. I mean, just a super beautiful sculpt. I mean, great detail on the skull. The crow looks great. I mean, that's just going to be freaking awesome hanging out on the tree. Alright. What is like show and tell? Look at all this. Is this 2 or is this 1? Okay, this is 1. Again, an owl on a couple of books. DellamorteCo. Just love that. Like I said, they've got beautiful ornaments. Get a couple at a time and then put them back. Save them. Probably should have put these guys in bigger bags. Oh man, what is this guy? This guy is pretty big. Okay, he's fighting to come out. What is he? Damn, I ain't got all damn day for you, bag. Oh, okay. Look at that. Big old Krampus head. I need to put him in a bigger bag anyway. Screw that bag. Look how freaking awesome that is. Ain't that evil? Gotta have some Krampus on the tree, man. Again, DellamorteCo all the way. Put him on a new string or a new bag. What's this little guy? Oh, look at that. Another Cthulhu head. Man, like I said, I love Lovecraft, love Cthulhu, the Elder Gods, and it's actually on both sides. So this is a DellamorteCo item. Again, got to get you some. They're an awesome freaking company. Let's see, I think we got a couple more left here. And then I'll go ahead and start throwing them up on the tree and show what you guys looks like when it's done. So what is this little guy here? Oh, look at this. It's a little, I think this is the baby werewolf skull. Also, DellamorteCo. Don't be surprised. There you go. Check him out. Pretty small, but man, he's super detailed. Okay, put him there. Looks like we got a couple more bags, and then we got some ornaments to put on the tree. This one is, this one is the conjoined baby skull. How freaking cool is that, man? Again, DellamorteCo, they just kill it every time. Their sculpts are so freaking detailed. This thing would actually be cool with like a brown wash or a black wash on it, so I'm really digging this. It's going to look great on the tree. That bone color against a black tree. Oh yeah, that's going to be murder this year. Okay. What do we got here? Oh, this is just a bottle topper for a whiskey bottle. They also make these and sell these in resins. I got a bunch of different kinds that won't go on the tree. That'll go on some Jack Daniels or something good. I think these are all bottle toppers. Like I said, their bottle toppers are even gorgeous. I mean, look at that thing. How do you not want to put that on a decanter of whiskey? I mean, they've got some great stuff. I will definitely link them below, guys. Go check out what they make. Everything they make is beautiful, man. Michael, the owner, is freaking awesome. He throws in some freebies, too, when you order stuff. Again, I got a little octopus one. But I've got all these guys laid out. I think this is all the ornaments. So I'm going to take all these ornaments up. I'm going to put them on the tree, and we're going to take a look at the tree. Okay, YouTubes. We're empty. all the ornaments around the tree. I got the last couple of things I want to do. I got these Funko Pops I've had for a while. I don't collect Funko Pops. Some of them are pretty cool, but I found these 3. I've got Pride and Prejudice Zombies. I got the Creeper from Creepshow. Come on, everybody loves Creepshow, man. We got to put him on the tree. So I'm going to open up these guys, and I got Gertrude Eldridge from Ghostbusters. No idea who she is. I'm going to pop those open. I'm going to put a little eye hook on top of their head, and I'm going to make these guys ornaments to go on the tree. And then we're going to do the little Zach guy here. I don't do elf on a shelf, but I'll do dope on a rope. And I guess if you touch them or whatever, you got to put cinnamon on them to get their magic powers back. Well, I don't have no cinnamon, but I sure as hell got some dollar store paprika, so eat some paprika, Zach. Take your paprika. All right. And then lastly, I didn't show you guys the star yet. On the top of the tree, our crown jewel is going to be this guy. Look at him. He's a little zombie with a hat on. He takes a 9-volt battery, but there's no on-off switch, so that kind of sucks. So I'll put one on when we get him on top of the tree, because all the ornaments are on. So I'm going to pile these last little ornaments on, and then we're going to take a look at the tree, guys. It'll be all done. Okay, YouTubes. Tree's done. Got to hang the stocking. And we're ready for the Fat Man. I'll pull you guys off the tripod. Let you take a close-up look at the tree. Got the zombie plugged in at the top. He's got the green glowing eyes. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Got a piece of burlap from Joann's I had as a remnant. But it's all decked out. Got our Cthulhu. Got our dope on a rope. Little winged cat. Plague Doctor. And overall, it's a pretty nice tree. I can't complain for at home. It came in 3 sections, went together easy. It's brand new, so it took forever to kind of fluff it out, but overall, I'm really happy with it. Ain't that right, little man? He's just enamored by that tree. You look at it, little man. You look at it. Well, you know, maybe we should kill the lights. Let's do a night shot. All right, guys. Lights out. That's what the tree looks like in the dark, head to toe. Little man, little man. That's pretty cool. I'm actually really happy with this. My little Krampus over there in the corner, we're going to finish him pretty soon. But I'm pretty happy with that. That's a pretty cool black Christmas tree to me. Looks like we're done. We're ready for the Fat Man. Alright, YouTube, so that is my black Christmas tree. Thanks for sticking around and decorating with me. Man, if you guys got a black tree, come on over to Cobwebs and Candlesticks on Facebook and share your pictures with me. I love to see what you guys do with your Christmas stuff at home. I like to keep it pretty creepy. If you get a chance, go check out my brothers in the Trio of Terror. Vic Springson over at Monster Misfits. Vic has just built a sleigh. He's doing Creepy Christmas. Dave at the Weird Kid Show channel. Guys, we are not stopping. This is just the beginning for us. So I thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for helping me out decorate tonight and look at ornaments and stuff. So until I see you guys again, keep it evil. You shut up and eat your paprika, Zach.